Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video I am going to discuss about CSS Gradient. The gradient in CSS is a special type of image that is made up of progressive and smooth transition between two or more colors. We can create variant styling of images which can help to make an attractive web page by using the gradient in CSS. CSS defines three types of gradients: linear gradient, radial gradient and conic gradient. So first is linear gradient, that is used for to goes down, up, left, right, diagonal, and radial gradient defined by their center, and conic gradient rotated around a center point. So next we discuss syntax of different types of gradient. First is syntax of linear gradient. First we use the background image property, then linear gradient is a keyword, and in between that we use different values like direction, color. And next is syntax of radial gradient. First we use the background image property, then radial gradient is a keyword, and in the braces we use different properties values like shape, size, position, color. By default shape is ellipse and size is furthest corner and position is center. The size parameter defines the size of gradient. It can take four values: closest side, farthest side, closest corner, farthest corner. Next is syntax of conic gradient. First we use the background image property, then we use the conic gradient is a keyword, and in the braces we use different values like angle, position, color, degree. So we can take one example of all these types of CSS gradient. Open the Sublime text editor. First we use the linear gradient. So first we make ID selector, name of selector is linear. In between that we use different properties to create the rainbow by linear gradient. First we set the height, and next we use the background color. This color shows when browser that does not spot gradients, so this color shows. Next we use the background image property. Here we use the linear gradient keyword. In the braces we use direction like to right, comma, then we use color red, orange. We set all the rainbow colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. All these colors shows the rainbow. In body section we create a div. In this div we use this ID selector, like name of the selector is linear, And next we set different styles to the text, like text align, center, we show the text its center position. And next we set the color white. And next we set font size is 60 px. And next we set the font weight, that is bold. Then close this and write some text, rainbow by linear gradient. Close this div and save this file and see the result on the browser window. This shows the rainbow colors by using linear gradients. So next we take the another example of radial gradient. So we can change in this code. Here we change the name of the selector, that is radial, and here we change the height of the div is 180, and we set width of the div is 180 px. You can also give this background color if the radial gradient not spotted by the browser, so this color shows. Here we change the radial gradient, and here we change all these values. We set the blue, pink and red. You can change any color. In body section we add some text in h1 tag, like radial gradient. Close this h1 tag, and here we change the id selector name is radial, and delete this. Here we shows the radial gradient. This shows the radial gradient. Save this file and see the result on the browser window. This shows the radial gradient. And next we take another example of conic gradient. So we can change in this code. Here we change the name of the selector is conic, and set the height and width is 180 px. Set also background color. You can change this keyword to conic gradient, and here we set the different values. Like first we set the red color and set degree angle like 45 degree, and next we set the color is blue on the angle 90 degree. Next you can separate it all this color by commas. Next we set the yellow color on 210 degree angle. Here we change this selector name is conic, you can change this is Conic Gradient. You can give or not, that's your opinion. Save this file and see the result on the browser window. This shows the Conic Gradient. In this code we don't change this radial, so we can change this also and save this file and see the result on the browser window. This shows Conic Gradient. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching and happy learning.